welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make bubble coffee. Bubble coffee, I have French coffee. This French coffee, you can go get this one in the Asian market, okay? This brand is the best one. And I'm gonna use condensing milk because I don't use sugar. Condensing milk, and I have machine right here. This is machine filter of the coffee, and that's how I boil the bubble. I boil it. You have to let the water of boiling first before you drop the bubble in for 20 minutes. I messed up, guys. Look, I record early and then my camera keep running and running, so I have to do over again. Okay, boil the water first, and then after the water boiling hot, and then you drop the bubble in. So time it for 20 minutes. Okay, so let them cook for 20 minutes. Okay, the bubble I'm cooking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make this coffee. This machine right here, I got the one on the top just to buy from the Asian market again. This is only $4.99 or $5. That's it. You can use all year long. So go ahead, take this one off first, and then put on top of this. I love my coffee very strong, so I'm gonna go ahead to put like 1 full spoon, 2, I put 3 because I love strong, 3 full spoon. Okay, that's it, just like that. Then I put this one, cover like this. Now my water boiling right now, so I wait for the water get boiled hot, and then drop the coffee. It's very easy to do it, guys. Okay, alright, so our coffee already set. I'm gonna go ahead and put the condensing milk right here. When you use condensing milk, use this brand Old Man right here. Old Man is the best of condensing milk. It's not too sweet, it's kind of nice and creamy. So I'm gonna use it. 1 spoon. 2 spoons. I will put 3 spoons. So 3 spoons, perfect. This leftover, if you not finish it, put in the refrigerator, and we always use it again. Put in the refrigerator just like that. Okay, and bring this one back. Take off all the milk. Don't put sugar, just this one's good. And set on top, waiting for hot water coming up. Alright, guys. Okay, the water boiling right now. I'm gonna go ahead, put the water in here just to fill up. Alright, the coffee is dripping right now. It's looking good, right? Yes. Let them be. Let them dripping. Okay, now no more water. Fill up some more. Yes, let them be dripping all the way how much you want it. You can go all the way up until here because I put 3 spoons of the condensing milk. It's good enough, so coffee should be right here. One more time. Okay, it's gonna be 3rd time. So that's enough. Let it dripping all the way. Okay, now my bubble already 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off. When I turn off, I'm gonna close it up. 10 minutes. 10 minutes stay in there. Turn the stove off, and then 10 minutes cover. Okay, back to coffee. Done. See that? It's done. And go ahead and stir this. A spoon right here. Yeah. Very easy, guys. Try it, okay? Try it. If you don't like condensing milk, you always put half and half. But condensing milk make coffee taste real good. This is original of ice milk coffee from Laos, Thailand, Vietnam. We make this coffee this way. We use condensing milk. If you don't like condensing milk, you always go half and half. You're done. See how it looks good, is that right? Perfect. Coffee look creamy like that. So now waiting for the bubble 10 minutes later. Okay, finally bubble is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this bubble, clean very well. Clean until clean about 3 times. See, the 3rd time I clean this, see that the bubble looking good, right? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, put all this bubble in here. Use this spoon like that so you don't have to the cup. If you love the bubble, go ahead and put a lot. Okay. 3 spoons. If you love bubble, go ahead and put this. And ice. After that, the ice, guys. Very easy, simple. Homemade bubble ice coffee. I put a lot of ice because I love ice. Okay, now ready? Just like that. Wow, it's looking good, right? See that? Now you have bubble coffee. Okay. Okay, guys, there you have it. Now, and when you drink this bubble, you're gonna use this big straw. Okay, like jumbo big straw. There you go. So you have a ice bubble ice milk coffee. So you have it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe for new video. Don't forget thumbs up, subscribe to get new videos. I will show you more. I have more flavor, but I love coffee. That's why I make coffee, guys. Okay, I love coffee. Alright, thank you for watching. I see you next video. Bye bye.